baby. What is going on, guys? Oh, you know what? I probably need a microphone. That'd probably help, huh? Yeah, let's go get a microphone. Alrighty, that's better. We got a microphone on now. So, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here from Tightlines TV, and if you can't tell, we're kind of dealing with the same weather situation. So, like I've been saying, we're kind of just hanging out. We're gonna be vlogging with you guys. We're changing it up a little bit. This video today, I want to talk to you guys about these things right here. If you've never heard of MTB, you're probably living under a rock, to be honest with you. MTB is like one of the biggest supporters of YouTube fishing and just the fishing industry in general. I love them so much. I am so fortunate to be working with them. Oh my gosh, let's just admire this real quick. Hold on, let me, wow. It's just beautiful out. I had to make a video. I mean, we can't really fish today, but wow, this is crazy. Look at this. Just let me just get a little B-roll shot of that. So aside from getting sidetracked by the February sunset in the winter, we were talking about MTB today. So I'm gonna do my first MTB unboxing. Like I was saying, if you guys have never heard of MTB, basically what they are is they're an awesome monthly subscription company for fishing lures. If you guys are avid fishermen like me and you guys just buy stuff all the time, pretty much for no reason because you need it or whatever the situation is, because you got a lure buying problem like me, I buy way too much stuff, then this company is perfect for you. Literally all you do is you pay a certain amount of money per month and they're gonna send you a box full of lures that's gonna be more than what you spent per month. So these boxes are really cool. It's a great way to save money and a great way to find out new techniques. So we're gonna hop into these boxes right here, and I think I'll do these every month maybe. So this is going to be my Febuary MTB PRO unboxing. So yeah, let's do it, guys. Woo! So basically you guys order these, this is what you're gonna get in the mail right here. This box right here is an MTB PRO. This guy I think is like 25 bucks. So you open this saucy thing up, they look like this. Like I said, not only is there product in here, but there's sometimes advice cards in here, you know, on tips and tricks on how you can fish. There's this tape measure right here on the inside, so if you guys own one of these or get one and you catch a fish and take a picture of it and tag them on social media, you could win. Going into this box, you're gonna get a little deal card like this guy right here. Basically, it's just a little like pamphlet thing right here. It's got some dope information on it about their contests, about Catch Co, about fishing in general. But what it does have on the very back right here is what's in your box. So you know, you really know what you're getting. So we're gonna tally everything up and we're gonna see if I got my money's worth basically. And yeah, so here we go. So numero uno, we have Carl Stash Carolina rigging kit. So let's go in here. That's this guy right here. This right here is a sick little rig up for making your Carolina rigs. And my guess is, before even looking into it, they set me up with other things to complete the Carolina rig. So if you guys have never used a Carolina rig, it literally shows you right here step by step how to set that guy up and all the tools you're gonna need for it. So that's super dope. That's number one. All right, so going on to number two, we have Sticky's offset worm hook, which is these guys right here. We got a 3/0 worm hook, which I'm gonna say has to go with rigging up your Carolina rig. So you get some hooks right here and you get a Carolina rig. By the way, I left out Carolina rig values at $3 for this setup. These offset hooks are $2.10. So at the end, I'm gonna tally all these up and see if we got my money's worth like I was saying. And let's see, moving on to number three, we have a Bill Lewis floating, let's see, rattle trap. So we got this guy right here, a rattle trap retailing at $7, $6.99. Rattle Trap's very known brand, great bait right here. So another thing we threw in there. Moving on to number four, we have a Catch Co Gator Hog. Catch Co started their own line of soft plastics. They're really awesome. I love these things. Again, this is probably gonna go along with your Carolina rig, or you can Texas rig them with your offset hook. However you wanna fish them, you can. But another value going at $3 right here, $2.99. So cha-ching. We're getting lit. We're just getting started. So moving on to there, we have a bass jig by Cyclone. Right here, we got a $5 bass jig. Everybody loves fishing jigs. You can't complain about that. So we got one of those guys in there. Whew, what else we got? And we have a Randy swim spinner. So basically we have an underspin right here, completely set up, ready to fish. Love fishing underspins. Great for, you know, cold temperatures, I would say, not necessarily this time of year because it's snowing, but you know, like I said, everybody's situation is different. So we got an underspin retailing at another $7, $6.99. And last but not least, we have a Roadrunner by Lucky Craft. This is just a jerkbait. This guy retails at $15.99, so 16 bucks for a jerkbait right there. And yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. Do the math. That's every bang for your buck you guys can get. Whoo, my hands are cold. So basically, you know, that's what you guys get in the box. You just get killer deals for what you pay. And, you know, sometimes you get other things. You also get a sticker in them and things like that. I totally recommend MTB. They are so awesome. They're a big supporter of this YouTube fishing community in general. They're awesome. So, yeah, that's pretty much that. And I kind of just wanted to share that unboxing with you guys. I'm going to do unboxings probably every month, and once the weather gets better, we will be doing MTB slams. But they make those for bass fishing, cat fishing, pan fishing, ice fishing, you name it, they got it. Links below. Go ahead and check them out. Other than that, you know, temperatures are getting colder. Hopefully we can jump back into ice fishing soon. And yeah. Oh, by the way, before we sign out, I want to let you guys know, if any of you guys are from the Ohio area, I will be at the Columbus Fishing Expo Saturday the 10th, I believe that is. So if you guys want to come hang out, do a little meetup, or just come say what's up to me, let me know if you're there. Hit me up on Instagram, leave a comment below. I'll try and keep in contact with you guys. I would love to meet some of you guys because a lot of you guys have been asking me to fish and stuff. So, you know, if you're in the area and you're gonna be there, let me know. Let's meet up. So yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for staying, you know, up to date with Tightline TV, and hopefully we get to fish soon. So peace out. We'll catch you later. That's all I gotta say. So deuces, baby.